the lace on this wig, crazy, crazy. You saw for yourself. I'm Sharon. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today we are going to be doing a review on this wig that I have on right here, right now. It's low-key kind of giving like Beyonce and Obsessed. Just a little bit.
Hey y'all, so today's wig was sent over from Nadula, but let's get into the wig. This is their 24-inch by knot 7x4 reddish brown curly wig. I am obsessed already. You see the texture. It has the typical constructions, combs on the side, comb in the back, adjustable straps, and an elastic band. The lace was lacing. I'm going to co-wash the wig and then I'll be back.
Here's our girl. She came out so cute. So this is after the wig has been washed and dried. And look at her. So cute. At first I was kind of like, maybe I should have gotten a shorter length. But I love the way it looks. Like, it looks so nice. I love the way this looks. Opposed to like a shorter length that would give more of like that Afro kind of vibe. I love the way this looks. Okay, so let's try her on and see if we're going to style. Because you know how my hairline is set up. And this has no roots. So I'm going to have to try to finesse and finagle this. But I'm really excited. And I need this to come out cute because I have somewhere to go. So let's get into it.
I've been all in my phone, I got options.
Wow. Crazy. That's crazy.
That makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can ride all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't want to leave, you know. I wouldn't want.
Y'all, I'm low-key shook, okay? First of all, that was a super quick and easy install. This pre-cut lace thing, I could really get behind, okay? I love the convenience of having the lace pre-cut. So the install was super quick, and I just did a middle part, obviously, like I always do. So that was the first thing, like install super quick. But also, can we get into the color and the texture of this hair? Like, this is giving. As I was sitting here looking at myself, I'm like, this really is giving Beyonce and Obsessed a little bit, okay? I know I'm probably like pushing it a little bit, but just a little taste. It's giving the same vibe, okay? That's what I'll say. It's giving the same vibe. And we know, we loved Beyonce and her red hair in that movie. That's kind of like what it's giving. I love the way this looks. I love the way it turned out. I'm so happy that it was kind of like quick and easy because like I said, I have somewhere to go. This is definitely big head friendly. It's a little loose. I adjusted the straps a tad bit. I didn't want it to be too tight. But it is big head friendly for sure. I love the way this looks. Perfect for this season right now, fall, and even when you're going into the winter. I really love this. I love the curl pattern. This hair is really soft, really beautiful. But yeah, y'all, this was a super quick and easy install. This pre-cut lace saves you so much time, and the density is already so bomb, so you don't have to go in and tweeze and do none of that stuff. This kind of wig, this wig is kind of ready to wear. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, once you co-wash it and stuff, you don't really have to do much else unless you do like to add like edges to it or whatever the case may be. That kind of personalization. But as far as like needing to pluck and tweeze and all of that stuff, like, you don't need to do that. You don't need to cut no lace off. So this is a very quick and easy wig. And I'm not sure how y'all do, but I always co-wash. Some people don't though. And in that case, you really could take this wig out the box and pop it on. I don't advise though. I advise you to always co-wash your wigs. But like for real, if you wanted to do that, this could be worn straight out the box. Like it's really done for you. For real. Did I show y'all the back? I don't think I did. Let me show you. It's so beautiful and like fiery red. Like as the light is reflecting on it and I'm looking in the mirror from like behind me, it's so pretty. It's like, you know, I always stand a curly texture, kinky curly, afro kinky curly, any kind of like texture that's gonna give the curls. Like, I'm here for it. Once again, thanks so much to Nadula Hair for sending me over this wig and collaborating with me on today's video. If you are interested in this wig, I will have all the links in the description box. Go get your hair with a discount, please. I hope you enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings. Bye.
Nadula.